got baby balloons. And we're gonna suck the helium out of them. Okay, bite a hole. Say something.
Hi.
Tina, you. Oh my god.
I'm so done.
You can't rip. I don't mean a giant hole.
Me too. Let's bit it.
Hey, Dina.
I'm so sad now. I want to cry.
One of the white men in that. Are you sad now? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That sounds so cute! Oh my
I'm
god!
so mad.
Oh my god!
This ruined
Oh my god!
everything.
That sounds so cute. You ruined it. Spoiled it.
Spoiled it. I'm feeling
Spoiled it. Spoiled it. You spoiled it. Oh my god. I sound like a munchkin. Oh my god. Daddy, daddy. I'm so done. Are you sad now still?
I'm so sad.
Are you still sad?
Super balloon.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm so done. I can't even.
We're buying more balloons tomorrow, dude.
I sound like an alien. I'm busy. Yeah, we're gonna do this tomorrow.
How did you get two?
Oh,
Try your voice high. Let's do this.
Oh my god. Is it? Oh, it's not gone.
Cool.
Oh.
Eh?
Yeah, it's gone.
That sucks, doesn't it?
Sucks more for you because you didn't get to do it because you're stupid and tore a giant hole in it. We're gonna do this again tomorrow.